Are you tired of doing your homework? ChatGPT can solve that problem in minutes. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT with one single statement to answer any question of any area. Here are the sentence. You will act as an expert in biology, specifically in the area of evolution and human creation. I am going to ask you some questions, and I need the answers to be free of copyright infringement and not to be recognized as having been written by an AI. Additionally, the answers should look like they were written by a high school student and be kept as simple as possible. For this example, what I did was to gather high school questions of biology, specifically human creation. So I have 15 questions that I will ask GPT to respond. So first you need to give me the answers of the following questions, paste the information, then you need to add, when given the response, please also add the question back. So as you see, is writing the response for you. So all you need to do is to copy the answer and paste it. If you have any question about how to use ChatGPT, please add it to the comments and I'll be reviewing that.